Yeah! So as you probably heard, DJI has just dropped a new drone. And here's the thing, it has LiDAR and onboard AI tracking. And in reality, it should not exist at this price. It is amazing. DJI has clearly been listening to their customers. And if you haven't guessed yet, I'm talking about the Lito X1. And better yet, I've been flying it for a week and I've got a lot of good things to say about it, so let's take a look. So DJI quietly retired the Mini name for its entry-level line. What used to be Mini SE and Mini 2 SE territory is now the Lito series, the Lito 1, and this, the Lito X1. Both weigh under 250 grams, which means no drone license is required in most countries. The X1 is the smarter of the two, same body, same flight characteristics, but it adds the camera upgrades and the sensor package that actually makes this worth the upgrade if you have an earlier model. So let's dig in, let's take a look. All right, so let's start with design and build. In the hand, it folds down to about the size of a phone. So here we go. See that? Down, down. Now, if I grab my phone, check this out. The arms swing out, the props unfold, and you're ready to fly in about 30 seconds. It's real easy to use. All right, so not only is it easy to assemble and easy to fly, it has a sophisticated suite of omnidirectional sensors, and they are amazing, and we're gonna take a look at them. Let's go. All right, and before we get into that, here's a quick word from our sponsor.
This video is brought to you by Storyblocks. Storyblocks is a 100% human-made stock media library built for creators. Every single asset within the Storyblocks library is made by real filmmakers, artists, and musicians, not AI generated. This includes millions of assets across stock footage, music, sound effects, templates, and images, all under one subscription. Let's search up Tokyo time-lapse. Let's have a look at this first one. And right underneath this video, I can come down to same shoot and similar clips, which is perfect for when you find an asset you love and you just want more of that same look. There's also a recommended music for this clip section as well. Everything is curated by the Storyblocks team, refreshed daily, and pre-licensed so you can use it in monetized or commercial content. Plus, every single download within Storyblocks supports a real working artist, which you just love to see. Storyblocks is also used by over 150,000 creators and businesses. There's also a Storyblocks plugin available for Premiere Pro and After Effects. So instead of constantly jumping between tabs, you can search and download assets directly inside your editing workflow. Storyblocks also offers AI-powered tools that sit alongside the human-made library to help creators move faster and customize content, like AI video editing. To get access to the human-made stock library built for creators and essential to my workflow, head over to this link, which can be found in the description and pinned comment below. Storyblocks is also offering a 15% off any annual plan for a limited time, and that discount is only available through my link found below. All right, back to the video.
All right, right here, this is a forward-facing LiDAR sensor, and it's the headline feature of the X1 over the base Lito 1. Now, most drones at this price rely purely on cameras to detect obstacles. The Lito X1 pairs its omnidirectional vision system with LiDAR, so it's not just seeing obstacles, it's actively mapping the space in front of it in real time, even when there's barely any light to work with. All right, so watch what happens when I fly it straight at this branch. It doesn't just beep a warning, it recalculates its path and adjusts it on its own. This is the closest thing DJI has at this price point to actual spatial awareness. It's not just object detection, but a live, evolving 3D model of its surroundings. Now here's where this becomes a real creator tool, not just a toy. ActiveTrack lets the drone lock onto a subject and follow it. No joystick input required. I'm just walking here and the Lito X1 is keeping me framed, adjusting altitude and distance all on its own. And then there's MasterShots. You tap a preset in the DJI Fly app and the drone runs an entire automated camera sequence, orbits, reveals, push-ins, and then it stitches it into an edited highlight clip even before you've landed. Crazy. And this is the part of the X1 that matters most for this channel. The AI isn't just a gimmick here, guys. It's doing actual cinematography work that used to require a second pilot or hours in an editor. All right, let's talk about quality. The quality comes from a 1/1.3-inch sensor. It is noticeably larger than the one in the base Lito one. It shoots 48 megapixel stills and 4K video up to 100 frames per second for slow motion. You also get a 10-bit D-Log M-color profile, which means there's real room to grade this footage instead of just publishing it flat and, seeing what you get out of the camera. So straight out of the camera, the footage is solid, but once you pull the dynamic range down in an edit, well, that's where this sensor actually separates itself from the cheaper drones in this category. Now, one detail that doesn't get talked about enough is the X1 has 42 gigabytes of internal storage built in. The base Lito 1 has none. It's micro SD or nothing. And with quick transfer over Wi-Fi, I can pull full resolution clips straight to my phone at up to 50 megabytes per second without ever touching a memory card. It's pretty wild. For how often I'm offloading footage straight into an edit, that alone saves me real time on every single shoot. So let's talk about pricing. In Canada, the Lito X1 runs $379 for the standard kit or $539 for the Fly More combo. As of right now, DJI hasn't officially launched it in the US, so if you're seeing US pricing floating around, well, that's probably coming from resellers and not DJI directly. All right, so who is this for? Well, if you already own a Mini 4 Pro, this probably isn't a reason to upgrade. It's good, but you don't need to make the upgrade. If you're stepping into drones for the first time though, or you create content and want AI-assisted shots without a second pilot, the X1 is the most capable entry-level drone DJI has ever shipped, full stop. All right guys, so there you have it. If you want the full flight test, wind performance, battery life in the cold, and a deeper look at how that LiDAR tracking holds up outdoors, well, that video is coming next, so make sure you're subscribed. So this has been the Lito X1 First Impressions. I'm out. See you in the next one.